Hi viewers, welcome to Penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Gama popular green pattern handmade ebonite finish fountain pen and eyedropper model. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on the pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this pen. So here some details, and this is the green pattern, a completely ebonite finish fountain pen which has a hole in the cap. And this is the breather hole which prevents the ink from clogging, and it maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so that the ink does not leak or ink rub through the nibs. And this has a silver clip and two silver rings on the cap, and the brand's name Gama was engraved in this portion. And the cap held on the body with thread mechanism. You have to unscrew the cap to open this. And this is number 5 nib with a medium tipped one and a large feeder. And this is a SSF one, stainless steel. And you can swap the nibs as you like, since we have number 35 nibs in many brands. And usually pen enthusiasts will swap with candid nibs where we have a fine, medium, broad and flex, and again with gold, dual tone and silver plated nibs. And for that you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to nibs, and then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And now the measurements of this pen. So the holding area's diameter is 11.1 mm. This is the thin portion's diameter, that is 10.1, and the thick portion's diameter is 11.3 mm. So the medium is 11.1, and the body's diameter is 14.1 mm, and the length of this pen without cap is 133.9 mm. And with cap it is 149.6 mm. And with this measurements you can get some idea that for this pen's pouch, if you maintain this with a pouch and all, this will the same aesthetic of this pen, shininess will last forever. And actually each things need some maintenance, so if you maintain this properly it will last for with good aesthetic forever. And also the holding area's diameter is a bigger one, so this pen is more suitable for adults who have bigger fingers. And also the reservoir capacity is more, so we can fill more than 3 ml of inks in this. And this is the thread portion. All the threads are turned to worn out, so to increase the life of the thread, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline whenever you are opening and closing the thread portion for the ink fill. And whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads. If you fill in excess, you will get a leakage path and you will spoil your hands. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink like our Penhouse or Brill or Sulika, Daytone and all, and they will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing. And inside, slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. So the reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the dirts and deposits in the feeder screw, you can remove this feeder and the nibs separately by holding this together and twist and pull it out. And this is a quite difficult hard part to remove the feeder and the nib from this Gama Ebonite pen. So try your best. If you can't, you can let us know, and we are having those tools to remove this, so it is quite an easy job for us. And otherwise you can directly soak this full grip portion into the soap water for some hours, and then you can brush and clean the feeder's portion. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So here some samples. This is Brill ink bottle, and here it is given: clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. It is unique formulation, prevents clogging and aids quick drying on paper. Yeah, and so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And few nibs need to be fine-tuned, because during the manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down, so it will create some space in between the tines, so you will get a good ink flow and a smooth writing in turn. And whenever we dispatch the pen to our customer, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And here I'm going to give the writing sample of this pen. For today's writing, I'm going to use our pen house emerald green ink, which matches this green pen. Wow, this is exactly a smooth and a very fine writing pen. Awesome flow and a smooth writing. And now the entire weight of this pen is 20 grams, 23 grams weight. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.